Hello viewers, welcome to CSS Styles. This is my first tutorial about neon effects. This is our design. Let's start to create. First, we want to create a HTML template. Then title is CSS Neon Effects. In the body section, we want to create a section and section ID is a neon. Inside the section, we want to create a span and span class name is neon head. Inside the neon head, we want to type neon effect. This is our web page heading. Then we want to create a div ID called images. First of all, we create the images. Wait a minute. Inside the images, we want to create 4 image tags. First of all, we create the image source. This is the Facebook icon and class name is img and id is img1. Then copy the img tag and paste it 3 times. This is the Instagram icon and third one is Twitter icon and fourth one is LinkedIn icon. And we want to change the ID img2, img3, img4. Let's open the Chrome browser. This is our website model. Then we want to start our favorite CSS styles. First we want to save the file name called index.css. Let's select the CSS and save it. Then go back to HTML page and link the CSS page. Go back to CSS file and start it. Margin 0 and padding is 0. Box sizing is border box and background color is #494949FF. Let's see our website. Let's create division ID neon and first one is display flex and flex direction is column, position is relative, align item center, margin auto. Let's see our page. Top 200 pixel and height is 300 pixel with 700 pixel. Border is 5 pixel solid aqua. Let's see our web page. It's looking good. Box shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 20 pixel and black. Border radius is 10 pixel and padding top 20 pixel and divide neon is finished. Let's see and create div ID images. First one is display. Display is flex and position absolute. Some padding in bottom is 10 pixel, margin bottom 50 pixel and bottom is 0. Let's see the results and create class name img. Margin is top and bottom 0 and horizontally 50 pixel. Let's see. And id img1 and img2 and img3 and img4. Padding is 10 pixel. Let's see. Looking good. And hash img1 over background color is Dodger blue. Border radius 10 pixel. Box shadow 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 10 pixel blue, comma 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 20 pixel blue. Let's copy it and paste it 3 times. Wait a minute. Okay, then here we want to add image numbers. First one is image 1, second image 2, third image 3, fourth is image 4. Then color also we want to change, deep pink. Box shadow color want to change, deep pink, pink, and third image light green, and box shadow color is green yellow and green yellow. Fourth one is coral and box shadow color is orange and orange. Let's see the results. It's looking very nice. This is the hover effect. Let's back to our code. Create class name neon head, and first one is position. Position is relative. Font size is 60 pixel. Font family is sans serif. Font weight is bold, and we want to add the text shadow. Text shadow is 4 pixel, 2 pixel, 10 pixel, aquamarine, comma 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 20 pixel, aquamarine. We want to add the animation, and animation name is color. Animation delay is 1 second delay, and animation duration is 1 second. Animation timing function is linear. Animation iteration count is infinity, and finally cursor is a pointer. Let's see. It's looking good. Then add the animation, keyframes, and animation name is color. In 0%, we want to add a filter. Hue rotate at 0 degree. Let's copy the line and paste it one time. And hue rotate is 360 degree. Let's see the results. It's looking very nice. The color is changing and the hover effect is very nice. I hope you are enjoyed the tutorial, and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.